Hi guys, welcome again on this channel. My name is Muturayo. I'd like to take time out to say welcome to all of our returning subscribers, and if you're new on this channel, welcome. Do well to subscribe. I can assure you there are so many interesting sewing skills we'll learn together on this channel. Here is a video of a beaded neckline you have seen on the thumbnail, and for this we need these materials. We need these broken glass beads, we need a cutter. You can use a scissors if you don't have this. We need a matching thread, and we need beading needles. I've also gone ahead to add sort of a bias to the neckline where I'm going to be beading on. So I'm gone ahead to actually thread my needle, and you want to go ahead to insert this needle now into your fabric. You want to ensure that the threading of this beadwork does not show either on the facing or on the lining of the fabric that you're working on. You will go ahead to secure this starting point properly with 2 or 3 notches, just so that point is well secured. You know that everything is going to rest on this starting point, and you just don't want your thread to rip. It means that you just have to go over it, starting all over again. I know you don't want that, so I want you to secure this starting point properly before you start adding your beads to it. Just watch this video closely, and I'm sure you're going to understand how to go about this design. You want to go ahead to work with a thread that you're comfortable with, so that you don't waste some time with the tangling of the thread and all of that. So for this design, because of the bias that I already added, we're going to be working with that width, and 5 of these broken beads should do. If you can actually use other beads for this design. You can use straw beads, you can use seed beads. It will still give you the same result. But if you are doing it in my case where you have a bias underneath, you just have to fill the thread to that point where it can cover the platform you have actually given it to work on. So you can go ahead to insert your needle just like you see me do, and then here's what I was telling you about when I say the bead should cover. You can see that these 5 beads that I have was cover this part enough. So you want to go ahead to continue this process. You will start the next point leaving a little bit of space, just a pinch of space. Can you see what I'm doing? Just look closely at this, and I'm sure you won't have any issue trying this out on your own. So you will go ahead to do this again and again until you're able to fill up the entire process. I would advise that if you want to start this for the first time, you can just do 1 line instead of this being like a sort of two lines on the neckline, because beading can actually be a lot of work and it takes time, but I can assure you that the result is always worth it. And go ahead to keep feeding the neckline, keep feeding the needle until you're able to feel it all round. I want to actually assure you that if you can be patient with this process, your result is actually going to give you joy. Trust me. Okay, so we are still on this, but while we are at this, let me even ask, I know that we have just watched the just concluded AMVCA 9, and you know AMVCA is such a time that designers look forward to, because we see designers that have gone ahead of us bring forth their masterpieces, and they get to show, we get to see really interesting designs and all of that. I hope that you really enjoy it as much as I do. I saw some really amazing designs that were really it for me. But well, let me just say congratulations to Beauty because she won the best dress for the night. I'm not really sure about that though, because well, let me just say I have my other favorite designs that I wish could win, but it is what it is. Okay, so let's get back to our beading, and this is what you just have to do all round all through the neckline. And seriously, you are going to be wowed at the effect. Just look at this neckline, it's already coming along and you can just see the way it's looking already. If you can watch this video to the end, I have a few tips to still share at the end of this video, so I hope that you stay tuned. Just keep watching this closely, and it's just about what we've been doing. Just keep repeating the process until you are able to feel the entire line. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe now, encourage your girl, and we have a lot to still learn on this channel. If there's a video of something you would like to see, drop it in the comment section and I'll be really glad to do the video for you. Okay, so we are still at this beading thing, and you can see that this really takes time. So beadwork is just about a patience thing, but look at this. You can see that our patience has finally paid off. Just take a look at this shine, look at the blinks. Like, I know you love it as much as I do. Every time I make this for my clients, they always love it. So we are about getting to the end of this beading process on the neckline now, and we can see that this space can still take one more. So we just go through the process again, taking 5 beads and taking it through the bias part on the neckline and then bringing it out. Then we secure it, and that will just be the end of it. You just have to secure this in such a way that the knot is not obvious at all. And for you to know that you've been doing the right thing on this beading design, you have to make sure that the back of your neckline just does not show any threading. The lining of your dress, the facing of your dress, the threading of your beadwork should not show on that. It shouldn't, guys, it shouldn't. So you go ahead to just sort of tie this with 1 knot, 2 knots, just so you are sure that it is secured, and you have to do this in such a way that it cannot be seen. Do you understand? You just have to do it as neat as possible. It just has to be as neat as possible. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video so far. Let me know what you think about this design in the comments, and here is the tip of the day. If you want to see more beading videos, here are 2 YouTubers that you should go follow, and you are going to learn a lot from them. The first, which is my favorite person, is Fumbi Olawore, and the other person is Amoka Beading School. I can assure you, when you follow these 2 YouTubers, they put out a lot of work that will just change your beading knowledge, and that is it on this video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and we are about to see the final result of our hard work. And trust me, when you see this, you're going to be amazed and you're going to be super proud of our job. So here is the final look, and you can see that this whole thing is giving. It takes this neckline from ordinary to extraordinary. Like, look at the shine, look at the blinks. Wow. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.